if people are trying to bully you or tell you you can't do something in life, don't believe them. Those are bullies, and bullies just trying to mess with you. If you want to be a soccer player when you grow up, which I want to be, then someone tell you you can't, go and practice and don't listen to them. Don't let them get in the way. Do not listen to them because they're telling you something. Do not listen to what they have to say. You are who you want to be, and do not believe what bullies have to say, because bullies are trying to make you feel bad. Just listen and be what you want to be, and practice it. And people won't bully you anymore. But if they do, and if they don't stop, just keep on working harder. Don't mind them. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. And plus, if they're your friends and they're being really mean to you on purpose, and they're telling you you can't do something, and they're not following your hope and dreams, those are not your friends. Those are your bullies. Don't listen to what other people have to say in life that are bad. Only listen to what the good people have to say. And I want to be a soccer player when I grow up, right? And I'm not giving up. I play soccer like every day. I promise. And don't listen to what other people have to say, like, hey, you're not going to make it in life. You're horrible at this. You're horrible at that. Don't listen to them. I don't think you can do it. I know you can. And plus, if you keep on listening to them, you're just going to listen to them. And then you're not going to do what you want to do anymore. So don't listen to what they have to say. Because if you want to be what you want when you grow up, do what you want to do. Don't listen to other people because they say stuff. Believe in what you want to do. Because when you start believing them, you're going to give up on your hopes and dreams. And plus, maybe talk to them. You don't know what's happening at home. Just believe in yourself. And I want you to breathe in and out. And when people say that to you, don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Listen to what you have to do. Love you guys. Bye.